Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 26th video of my English journey. So guys, today topic is how I think positive every day. As you know that guys, nowadays I am learning English, and as you know that guys, I am a beginner, I am a learner, and these days I am learning English. So guys, how I think positive every day. Guys, as you know that nowadays I am learning English, and this time I face lots of problem, and many people they laugh at me, and he his boy make a video, and his boy's English is not good. My English is not good guys, but I am try to my best little bit guys. My grammar is not perfect, and day by day I face lots of problem, and sometimes I tired, sometimes I face lots of problem, and sometimes my mind is not good, but I face lots of problem. And how I think positive every day guys. Every day I wake up at positive mind, and positive mind give me a lots of confidence, and lots of motivation, and uh, st- uh, lots of strong. And when we and guys, when I thinking positive, then I totally positive, because when just like I am make video and I make many mistakes. So guys, other people tell me your English is not good, then that time am uh, I am totally disappointed and totally demotivated. And if I am not thinking positive, guys, uh, so I am not make video अर्लियर टाइम. जस्ट लाइक अगर मैं बुरा सोचूंगा तो मैं आगे वीडियो नहीं बना पाऊंगा, और अगर मैं पॉजिटिव सोचूंगा, अगर लोगों के बारे में सोचूंगा, तो मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ पाऊंगा. तो गाइस, हाउ आई थिंक पॉजिटिव गाइस, आई एम पॉजिटिव एवरी डे, एवरी टाइम, every minute, because I want to become a fluent speaker, and day by day I make mistake, and day by day I learn many things. So guys, my English is not good, okay, but I am a learner guys. And this video I make because positive thinking is lots of give motivation, and lots of strongness, and lots of give things guys. This is my topic. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will be meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.